For years, chicken has been a staple on dinner tables around the world, often regarded as a healthier alternative to red meat. Health-conscious individuals have long been encouraged to swap out beef and pork for poultry, citing its lower saturated fat content and associations with reduced heart disease risk. However, new research out of Italy is prompting a re-evaluation of these assumptions. A comprehensive study conducted by the National Institute of Gastroenterology has uncovered a potential link between frequent chicken consumption and an increased risk of early death from cancers affecting the digestive tract. The study, published in the journal Nutrients, followed nearly 5,000 adults in Italy over a span of 2 decades. Participants provided detailed information about their diets, including how often and how much poultry they consumed. Researchers also tracked their health outcomes through medical evaluations and regional health records, focusing specifically on the onset of gastrointestinal cancers and related mortality. The findings were striking. Adults who reported eating more than 300 grams of poultry per week, roughly equivalent to 2 to 3 standard servings, were found to have a 27% higher risk of early death from gastrointestinal cancers compared to those who consumed 100 grams or less. This association challenges the widespread belief that chicken is an unequivocally healthy choice, at least in the context of digestive cancer risk. It's important to note that this research does not suggest that chicken is inherently dangerous or that everyone should immediately cut poultry from their diets. The study was observational, meaning it identified a correlation rather than a direct cause and effect relationship. There are many factors that could influence these results. For instance, the way chicken is cooked, whether it's fried, grilled, or baked, can affect the formation of potentially harmful compounds. Seasonings, breading, and even possible contaminants in poultry products may also play a role. Unfortunately, the study did not delve into these specifics. Additionally, while the researchers accounted for several lifestyle factors, such as age, gender, and certain health conditions, they were unable to control for physical activity levels. Exercise is known to influence both cancer risk and overall longevity, and its absence as a variable leaves room for further investigation. Despite these limitations, the findings highlight the need for a more nuanced understanding of how different foods impact long-term health. The researchers are calling for additional studies to explore whether it's the chicken itself or factors related to its preparation and consumption that may be contributing to the elevated cancer risk. This could include examining the effects of various cooking methods, the presence of additives or preservatives, and the overall quality of poultry products available to consumers. So, what does this mean for individuals striving to make healthier dietary choices? Moderation remains key. While chicken can still be part of a balanced diet, it's wise to pay attention not only to how much you eat, but also to how it's prepared. Opting for baking or grilling over frying, limiting heavily processed or breaded poultry products, and incorporating a diverse range of proteins, such as fish, legumes, and plant-based sources, can help reduce potential risks. As the scientific community continues to unravel the complex relationship between diet and disease, these findings serve as an important reminder. No single food is a silver bullet for health. Instead, a varied and balanced approach to eating, combined with other healthy lifestyle habits, offers the best protection against chronic illness. The story of chicken and cancer risk is still unfolding, and ongoing research will be essential in guiding future dietary recommendations. For now, informed choices and mindful eating remain our most reliable tools for supporting long-term well-being.